Let's practice now the numericals of meter bridge. So we have a question here. Let us understand how the question can be asked. Here AB is a meter bridge wire of length 200 centimeter. Please note that here the total length is given 200 centimeter. This is the AB wire. Now one data resistance per unit length is given. Okay, of AB wire, of this wire, 0.01 ohm per centimeter, this value. We are asked to calculate X resistance and current from the battery when no current flows in the galvanometer. Okay, so the meaning of this line, last line, no current flows in the galvanometer, that means this bridge is balanced. You can see the diagram, X, 2, then lengths are shown 120 and 80 centimeter. Here jockey is placed. This is the battery and battery is given of 4 volt in the question. Okay, now these all the things are given. First of all, let us solve X. So it's very easy. If in the galvanometer there is no current, that means this bridge is balanced. Balance means this ratio and this ratio is the same. So X upon 2 this way equal to, we can write lengths also, as we have seen in the meter bridge last answer, that resistance upon resistance equal to length upon length, that also we can write. So 120 upon 80 centimeter. No need to convert in meter because both are already in centimeter. The units will get cancelled only if they are same. Okay, so X upon 2 equal to 120 upon 80. So now very easily we'll simplify it. So X will become 24 by 8, that means 3 ohm. So our first answer is obtained, X solved. Okay, in the same manner, if current drawn from the battery is also asked. Now here a little twist is there. What is the total current drawn from the battery? So we can solve it with the help of series parallel combinations. First of all, if in the galvanometer branch there is no current, then we can remove this branch from the diagram. Okay, now if this current is flowing, then we can calculate the current total by the Ohm's law, total V by total R. Okay, total voltage in the circuit is 4 volt from the battery. Now what is the total resistance that we have to solve? So what we can do, the lower branch resistance we can find with the help of this given data. What is the resistance of AB wire? So you see, for AB wire, resistance per unit length is given 0.01 ohm per centimeter. Okay, so resistance per centimeter is given and total centimeter we can calculate. 120 and 80 means 200 centimeter. So total resistance will be what? 200 centimeter into per unit length resistance. Now centimeter is getting cancelled and 200 into 0.01, it will become 2 ohm. So that means the total resistance of AB wire is 2 ohm. Okay, so here we can show that it is of 2 ohm. That means now there are total 3 resistances, 1, 2 and 3. Out of that you can see the upper are in series and X answer we have already calculated 3. So 3 plus 2, it will become 5 ohm of upper branch and 2 ohm of lower branch. So 5 and this wire, meter bridge wire, which is 2 ohm, they are in parallel connected. So what is the resultant resistance of parallel? So it is multiply upon add 5 into 2 upon 5 plus 2. 10 by 7 is the resistance. This 10 by 7 resistance is the total resistance now. Okay, how we have done? First of all, we wanted the total resistance. We were not knowing the resistance here. So we multiplied the length, total length 200 with R by L value, resistance per length. We got 2 ohm this way. Now AB wire is of 2 ohm resistance, but in the above branch there are 2 more resistances which are in series. So 3 plus 2 5. So 5 upper branch and 2 lower branch. They are in parallel. You can see parallel means multiply upon add is the formula. Direct formula also we can apply, or reciprocally add also you can do. So 5 2s are 10 upon 2 plus 5 10 ohm. This we have to substitute here as our total to get the current. So current is becoming 28 by 10, that means 2.8 ampere. Just check these answers. So we have calculated first unknown resistance and second the current.